Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Lessons with A. And in today's lesson, we will be continuing our video series, Mastering Adjectives and Adverbs, and this is part 2. In this part, we are going to talk about adjectives. As always, we are going to make it as simple as we can. Let's begin. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe the qualities of nouns or pronouns, that is, how someone or something is, or describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns, that is, how many or how much of something we have. Examples of adjectives that describe qualities are green, large, pretty, slow, smart, handsome. And examples of adjectives that describe quantities are few, thousands, plenty, 10, etc. We can use adjectives as both attributive and predicative. When adjectives are used as attributive, they come before the noun or pronoun they are describing. Let's see these examples. Jack has a blue bag. The beautiful lady was reading outside. In both these examples, the adjectives comes before the nouns they are describing. In the first sentence, the adjective blue came before the noun bag, the noun it was describing, just as the adjective beautiful came before the noun it was describing, that is, lady. When adjectives are used as predicative, they come immediately after the noun. But in this case, these predicative adjectives need the help of linking verbs, such as the forms of the verb to be, to taste, etc., to be able to do their job. Examples are: he is intelligent. The dog is playful. We see in these examples how the adjectives intelligent and playful needed the linking verb is to help describe the noun and the pronoun. Now, let's see more examples of adjectives. She was faster than my sister. In this example, the adjective faster is describing which one has more speed than the other. The next example is we are happy. Here, the adjective happy is describing the state that we are in, that is, being happy. There are plenty types of adjectives that we will be looking at just 4 in this lesson. You will learn the others as you progress in your language learning. First on our list are descriptive adjectives. These adjectives describe the characteristics or qualities of a noun. They tell how something is. An example is, I have a big ball. In this example, the adjective big is telling us how the ball I have looks like. Then we have quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives are used to show the quantity or amount of a noun. An example is, she bought 3 books. The adjective 3 in this example is telling us the amount of books she bought. Now we have demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out specific nouns. They show the position of a specific noun. An example is, I like this dress. The adjective this is telling us the specific dress that I like and where that dress that I like is. The last type for today are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership or possession. They tell us what belongs to who. Example, that is my car. Here, the adjective mine is telling us Who owns the car? That is me. And this is telling us that the car belongs to me. Now, people, this is it for today's lesson. I will see you in the next part of this lesson. For now, like, share, subscribe, and write in the comment section if you have a question or you want to write an example or make a sentence with any adjective you know. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.